Oh, it's like a workout showing a food haul. Because I go into great details and everything. But now that I've finished the food haul, I'm going to go straight into these strawberries because I can't wait any longer. And also I'll be giving the Waitrose grapes a try. So let's start off with the grapes. So these are Waitrose and Partners Seedless Grapes Selection, Sweet and Juicy. So it's that one. Let's crack it. I do love a grape. I love a grape. They're super easy to eat. And they are the ideal, like, visiting hospital food. You know, like when you're visiting someone in hospital, I don't know what it is. Take them a bunch of grapes. Why is that? Is that a thing even? Or is that an old-fashioned thing? Or is that something I've seen on TV when I was a little kid? Like you bring them a bunch of flowers when you hate them. But you bring them a bunch of grapes when you love them and you want them to get better. Yeah, anyway, that's how I think. These are Waitrose grapes. And they're red and green, those ones. Looking rather nice. So let's give them a whirl. Let's try a red one. I know one is supposed to wash them and all that. I'll do that when I get home. But, fuck it. Nice. Nice texture. Nice taste. Sweet. Tiny bit sour, but lovely. They're lovely taste all round. Let's try the green side. Whoop. They're nice and big. Okay. They're nice, you know. So yeah, I do rate the Waitrose grapes. Both these ones, red and green, are both yummy. They're kind of addictive, you know, like grapes are one of those fruits. Once you pop, you can't stop. I think they're ideal. An ideal sofa, TV watching, book reading food. You can share them, easy to eat. Don't have to think about it too much. Shove it on the girl dinner and the boy dinner and the picky bits on the side. You've got yourself some vitamins. So yeah, loving those. Now I'm going to get into these strawberries. So it's not strawberry season anymore. However, we are trying these strawberries. And these are Waitrose. They're called number one Waitrose. Spectacularly strawberries. I don't know, I can't read. But they smell really nice. Oh, speciality, that's it. I got there in the end. Dyslexia. Because do you find if you've got dyslexia or dyspraxia or something like that, reading words. Reading, yeah, it's a thing, isn't it? Oh my god, look at the strawberry. It looks like a heart. That's another heart-shaped thing because you know what? I need a swig of water for a palate cleanser. There. So that's one of the strawberries. Looking nice. Let's see what it's tasting like. And they're all looking decent in the pack. Go. They're nice, you know. They are deep. Look at that one. Look how perfectly shaped it is. That is a strawberry shortcake strawberry. Look at that. It's all plump and it goes into this perfect little point. That is an anime cartoon perfect strawberry. Mmm. Nice. Mmm. The texture. It's nice and the taste is nice. I mean, I love strawberry. Let's try a little one. Mmm. I love strawberries. So yeah, those strawberries are nice, and I can imagine in strawberry season they'd probably be even nicer. I mean, I went strawberry picking a couple of times this summer. I went to a place called Essington Farm. And their strawberries are really nice usually. They're like hanging down and then you have to kind of crawl underneath to get into the really good ones. They were amazing. And then I went to another place. Can't remember what it's called. The strawberries weren't great there, but it was the end of the season, so I feel like most of them had been picked. But, however, let's try some crisps because now I need salt. So now I'm going to try these, which are Waitrose Sharp and Tangy Sea Salt and Balsamic Vinegar Crisp. I love crisps. And I love salt and vinegar. Salt and vinegar, my favourite. It's a hat trick. That's crazy. I've got a heart-shaped crisp. They smell yum. Look at this heart shape. Well, it's off-centre, but it's still a heart. Well, it's like a real heart. Look. Sort of. Right, let's try it. They are. Wait. Let's try another one. They're stuck together. I like that. They are well nice. They're yummy. So I don't know if you can see on camera, they are thin and they are crunchy, but they're thin, but they've got a bit of skin left on the edge, which I like. And I like how they've got all different shapes and sizes and they're slightly crinkly and rustic. So yeah, can you see the skin? But I like that. Drugs, they're yummy, they are. So yeah, if you're ever in Waitrose, grab yourself a bag of these. Yeah.